In this video, we are going to discuss about Armstrong number. This is one of the frequently asked question in interviews as well as in coding rounds. Let's take an example for explaining this Armstrong number. I took an example of 153. The length of 153 digit is 3. I am going to power 1 with power 1 3 times and 5 3 times and 3 times based on this length. If it is 4, then 1 4 times, 5 4 times, and 3 4 times. This 1 into 1, it depends on the length of the digit. Whereas 1 power 3 is 1 and 5 power 3 is 125, 3 power 3 is 27. By adding these numbers, we get the same number 153. So it is called as an Armstrong number. Some of the examples of Armstrong number are 0, 1, 153, 370, 371, 407. These are some of the examples of Armstrong number. Let me go do the code for this Armstrong number using Python. I am using Python 3.x version. You can use any versions here. Let's take the input from the user first. Enter your number. Let we give a new line and let we take the input from the user. Since we are getting the number, so it is int of input. Now let we check a condition here, like if let we take the length of input, L is equal to str of x. We are converting the int to string in order to get the length. Next, let we check a condition like y equal to power of. Let we take a for loop in order to get the each digit for I in str of input. Str of x means it will be converted into string. I am getting each and every in an for loop, each and every character in a string using the for loop, and again I am converting this into integer, like t is equal to int of I. Now I am getting the each digit here, and I am going to multiply and add with it, like power of t comma the length is L, L. S is the sum. Each and every time it will get it will be added up, and at last we will get yes. Now let me check the code. I'm giving 153. Sorry, 53. See, I'm getting the same output as yes. This indicates that our algorithm is working fine. Let we do a condition here, or else we can check with another input, like I'm giving 455, but see the output varies. This means this is not an Armstrong number. Okay, now let we check a condition with the help of um, if the output s equal to input, that means x, then given number is an Armstrong number. else not an Armstrong number. Now let me check the output. Now I am giving the same input I have given before. See, 153 is an Armstrong number. Let me check with other input. Other example is like 370. Let me give 370. 370 is an Armstrong number. Let me try with the other number like 445. 445 is not an Armstrong number. This is how the code works. Let me explain how the code works briefly. First, the 15th line will be start compiling. That means print, enter your number. It will be displayed in the output. After that, we want to give the input. That means 445. X 445 will be stored in X, and L will have the length of X. That means the length of X is 3. In order to get the length, I am using len function. Len function works with string, so I am converting the integer into string using str function. After that, I am using s is equal to 0. This variable stores 0. This is used to find the sum. Next, I am iterating to each and every character in a string of x. That means first it will be 4, after that 4, after it will be 5. First, I will equal to 4. 4 is now character. I want to convert into integer, so I am using int class. Then after that it will be stored in t. Now I'm going to find power of the 4 comma the length is 3. That means 4 power 3. Now s will have 4 power 3. After that I is equal to 4, again 4 power 3. That means it will be like 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus again it will be 5, so 5 power 3. Now s will have now s will be having some as some value. Okay, if this s is equal to, since s is an integer, it will be more meaningful if you both are same data type. So s is an integer and x also integer. I am checking s is equal to x. If it is equals, then it prints given number is an Armstrong, or else it will be a not Armstrong number. This is how the code works.